From blueprints to building blocks, the St. Jude Reconstruction is now at the point where precision counts most, testing, outfitting, and preparing the facility for patients. Crews are fine-tuning and commissioning a range of critical systems. The plumbing, laundry, and maintenance facilities have already passed comprehensive inspections and received final approval. Meanwhile, the Reconstruction team has taken delivery of most of the furniture and equipment for the hospital's many departments.
The good news that we are also getting the equipments. So we just got 6 containers of equipments and fixed furnitures. It also includes loose furnitures, fixed furnitures, equipments. So I'm really happy that we are coming to a very good completion of this project.
As the project pushes toward completion, teams are still working through logistical hurdles caused by supply chain bottlenecks.
The biggest challenge is to get the containers on site inside the hospital, because sometimes it's still in St. Lucia and getting out is a little difficult. Even sometimes it is close to St. Lucia but it's off the sea. But the challenge is to get in the St. Lucia, get it cleared, to come to the hospital. It's a time again, but we are really happy that we got these containers, and still we need to get some couple of containers, but we are in a very good shape.
So far, the team has installed office furniture, laundry and kitchen fixtures, dialysis unit fittings, surgical and orthopedic ward equipment, and final components of the cooling system across the facility. The communication network has been fully tested, while paving and landscaping around the hospital are nearing completion.
So step by step we are going to commission building by building, and they are going to have the trials. At the same time we are also involving the hospital people, so they are very much aware of what's going on.
With systems coming online and departments outfitted, the St. Jude Reconstruction project is moving steadily towards the long-awaited reopening of the National Hospital. Joachim Duplessis, HDS News Force.